Hi guys, good morning. Hope you all are doing fine and Saturday morning is treating you right. Today I want to speak about something which is very important. Like what is my intention is making this video. So I want to talk about intention. When you wake up in the morning, ask yourself what is your intention and set it right. Intention of what you want to become in the day, how you want to feel and what you want to do, and the purpose and the cause of doing what you are doing. It's very, very important that you learn to get this inner dialogue within yourself and get the answer straight so that you don't deviate from your path. When you are having water, set an intention that the water is going to nourish your body, the water is going to help replenish what you have lost, the water is going to give you life giving force and energy. So when you are having your food, set an intention and ask yourself, is my intention to just gobble down everything or my intention is to nourish my body? So when you have that a friction of fraction of a second and you take that moment to bring in that alignment between you, your mind and your intention, you will see that what you are eating nourishes your body, make you feel so vibrant inside. It is just that one minute second which you take out and tell yourself that this is my intention to have this food, this is my intention when I am having that water, literally giving that energy to whatever you are doing, whatever you are eating, whatever you are drinking. It is very, very important because we are all so caught up in our humdrum of our daily life, doing things, trying to make both ends meet, and fitting in everything in the day, that we take these mindful moments and tell ourselves that my intention is to be more kind. My intention is to help my food nourish my body. My intention is to hydrate myself well so that I can uh, be top notch in my game. So when you set out these intentions, you will see invariably uh, this will work like a magic wand and it will help you understand yourself better. What is my intention? Like I'm making this video, what is my intention of making this video? My intention is that more and more people understand the value of something which is simple and priceless. And when you set that intention correct, you invariably tend to meet the other person with that same kind of intention. What is my intention of meeting a friend? What is my intention of setting out on some work? Ask yourself anytime when you are doing it, take a mindful pause and ask yourself, what is my intention? How is the day going to treat me, or I am going to treat the day? If I am going to meet out someone, what do I intend to give back to that person? What do I intend to spend my time uh, talking to that person, listening to that person, understanding that person, and also giving my best of energy to that person. So these small mindful talks within yourself will help you also understand what actually was your intention in the first place. Are you just going about your day? The day is running you, and you don't really know. You are not in tune with yourself. So taking these mindful pauses will help you understand your intention, and if there is something which needs a tweak, you can do that. Yesterday I made a YouTube video on how you can if you are not able to visualize healthy, what you can do. So in that also, set mindful intention of bringing the words into existence which are beneficial to you. If you invariably use words which do not have any meaning or you don't care about, you are invariably putting things into existence which will come back to you in some way or the other. So setting an intention and the right intention is very, very important, and I hope you have a Saturday where you have your intention in place, and you also enjoy setting that intention, and learn about how small pauses, small breaks, and small moments of silence can bring back that lost alignment. Have an intentional full Saturday. Thank you, guys.